Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. On gold market right now, it's very interesting action. So our trading plan is actually has two major scenarios to keep an eye on, and first scenario mostly is completed, but it seems that market doesn't choose any single scenario. It probably will complete the both, because the first one hasn't been completed totally. So with yesterday's spike up, although upward action has continued right from the minor retracement where we have taken the long position, at the same time market hasn't reached the XOP target. So the 1265 fixed 1267 target has not been met, and instead of that market has turned and shown the reversal session. So reversal session has one common feature. So as a rule, it leads to some downward continuation. Not necessarily it will be very strong downward action or maybe some collapse, but when the reversal session forms, some, at least another one, black candle should be formed here. Reversal session forms when the market creates the new top but close below the lows of the previous day, and that is particularly what we have on the gold market. Another reason why the deeper retracement on the gold could happen is that actually the Fed statement. So as I have mentioned today in the report on the euro currency, Fed gives the hint that this 2-rate increase probably will happen on 2019. So it was not as dovish as market has expected, and that actually the reason why the gold market and other currencies also have turned down, because currently market barely prices in the just single rate increase in 2019. So it means that it should now involve the possible second increase, and that needs to rebalancing of the current equilibrium between the gold and the United States dollar, or gold or euro and United States dollar. That actually has this is the fundamental background of the possible deeper retracement on the gold market. So, but it doesn't mean that market will not proceed high a bit later to this target. It just means that in the short-term perspective, within the few sessions, maybe till the holidays, gold market will remain on some pressure, and upward continuation is postponed for some time. So, but ABCD pattern is still valid, because to erase it, market should drop below the C point. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, as you can see, yesterday where I just not occasionally call you for moving stops to the break-even, or even move stops somewhere to the below this consolidation, or take the profit because we're coming to the Fed meeting and everything could stand. Since we have the two longs position here, makes sense at least to move stops to the break-even, and that was not in vain, as you can see. So this is sharp reversal here. What we have, the two levels to watch for. First one, 1242, already has been hit with this collapse at first FIB support, but due to the reasons that we have just mentioned, not really. It is possible that market really could continue down to 1232, 1234 confidence support area after this minor bounce will happen. Potentially, as you can see, this could give us the hand shoulders pattern. So it means that later we could get even a bit deeper retracement. So we will see. But currently, there's two levels that we'll be watching for. So since our first scenario has not led us to the final target, I mean 1265, although it was a pretty nice trade, but we haven't reached the target. Now we're watching for the second scenario, and it means that since we still keep the bullish view, we need to get the clear bullish pattern and wait for the deeper support levels where we could think about taking the long position. Currently, it seems that the first level that we'll be watching for will be here. So actually, we will repeat here the same story as with this one action. So recall that we are coming to buy right at the neckline, since was the agreement. Here is again, we're coming to buy right at the neckline, hoping with the technical bounce, and see what will happen at the top of the right shoulder. So we will apply the same entry technique this time if market will reach this area. On the shorter term perspective, on the hourly chart, you can see that we have the sell-off, bearish reversal swing has been formed, because take a look, this swing down is greater than the previous swing up. Now market stands in a pullback. Usually after reversal, swing retracement stands deep, and in this case we are watching with 1250, 618 resistance. Now market stands at nearest 112.48. So, and the pattern on intraday charts that we'll be watching for, this ABC pattern that has the target approximately 1235, that agrees with the neckline right here. So that's our short-term stop for today, maybe today tomorrow sessions.